Hello friend. Today we are studying the aquarium water quality and management part 2 by Rohini Sudhakar Chauhan, NES Science College, Nanded, BSc third year, paper number 14, unit number 2. pH of water is the hydrogen ion concentration minus log of H plus ion concentration. Natural water range pH 5 and the pH 10, while the sea water is maintained near the 8.3. The most species a pH between 6.5 and the 9 is ideal. The below the pH 6.5 species experience slow growth. Low pH species ability to maintain its salt balance is affected. Reproduction is increases. Uh, Species die when pH is 4 and 11. Reduces the amount of dissolved inorganic phosphate and carbon dioxide available for phytoplankton photosynthesis. The metallic toxic is to the fish and shellfish can be launched out of a soil and treated by the using lime. High pH toxic form of ammonia become a more prevalent in addition to phosphate, which is commonly added to the fertilizer, as can be rapidly precipitate at the high pH. Alum can be used to treat the high pH water. High pH problem is due to the excess of phytoplankton and photosynthesis in water with a high alkalinity and the low calcium hardness. Gypsum can be added to the source of calcium hardness, calcium and magnesium. The total hardness is measure of a concentration of all metal cations with the expression of alkaline metal. The calcium and magnesium are the most common cation contributing to hardness in the freshwater system. To much lesser extent, the hardness is also include other divalent ions such as iron, Fe and barium. Water classify into the respect to its hardness and softness. The calcium necessary for a bone and exoskeleton formation for osmoregulation. Crustacean absorb the calcium when molting. The water is too soft, causes to molt. Bone deformities, reduces the growth rate. Calcium reduces its toxicity of a metal, ammonia, and its hydrogen ion. High ion concentration in hardness water. The suspended soil particle settle faster in hard water than the soft water. Alkalinity is high and calcium is low. Photosynthesis may increases the pH level in the that is toxic to the fish. The most productive water for a fish culture have roughly equal to the magnitude of a total hardness and its total alkalinity. Hardness averages 6,600 milligram per liter minus 1 in ocean water. Therefore, is not problem in a sea and blackish water system. Insufficient hardness is easily outcome. Calcium hardness can be rises by the adding agricultural gypsum or a calcium chloride. Gypsum is preferred because it is a coats less and it is more readily available and less not effective alkalinity. Its disadvantageous variable purity of agricultural gypsum 70 to 98%, and it is a slow reaction rate reactive to calcium chloride. Species and their total hardness is say here. Dissolved oxygen. Sources of dissolved oxygen photosynthesis reaction from the atmosphere. Oxygen consumption process is such as respiration from a microbial life and fish, plants, and the degradation of organic matter by the microorganism. Biological oxygen demand influenced by the temperature, the type of fish, lifestyle, feeding practice, level of activity. Dissolved oxygen concentration also influence the respiration rate. Here dissolved oxygen and some species are given in a table. Biological oxygen demand BOD, measure of the amount of organic compound that can be biologically oxidified by the macroorganism in water. Biological oxygen demand is a potential of its developed oxygen, and higher BOD promotes the microbial growth at a higher temperature. This can be lead to the depletion of a treatment of potassium permanganate and aeration. The potassium permanganate chemically oxidize an organic matter, thus reduces the BOD, but not sufficient for the production system. Most efficiently method is equal to aeration. Carbon dioxide source. Carbon dioxide diffuse from the atmosphere and fish respiration and biological oxidation of organic compound. Surface water sources can have high level of CO2 is equal to respiration rate. CO2 concentration is too high, the fish blood CO2 increases, impairing the availability of their hemoglobin to carry oxygen. Respiration decreases. Treatment: either calcium hydroxide and also have to salt with a hydrated lime, and sodium carbonate can be added to reduce the high level of carbon dioxide. And however, the calcium hydride is cheaper and more widely available. Sodium carbonate is safer because unlike calcium hydroxide, it is not caustic and will not cause any sustainable rise in pH. Vigorous mixing and aeration is also good method for removing the excess of carbon dioxide. Thank you.